How to repair a ball mark. A ball mark is a divot or small crater that is created when your golf ball lands hard on the green of a golf hole. If left unattended, these ball marks will leave a small brown circle of dead grass that can take 2 to 3 weeks before it is fully restored. Turf repair is an easy process that takes only seconds to complete. Follow these steps to fix your ball mark and keep the green looking good. Steps. 1. Purchase a ball mark tool. This tool is normally made of plastic or metal and has 2 prongs on the end of it with a tab for you to hold. These tools can be purchased at your local sporting goods store or the golf course's pro shop for a minimal fee. 2. Stick the ball mark tool in the ground near the edge of the divot that was created by your golf ball. Turn the tool and push the grass toward the center of the ball mark. Be careful to not tear the roots of the grass, which would result in an even larger spot of dead grass. The grass on the green is very elastic. Therefore, you shouldn't do additional damage to the green by twisting and pushing your ball mark tool. Work your way around the divot until you have worked out the ground along its perimeter. If you do not have a ball mark tool available, you can use other items to lift and push in the turf. Your golf tee or the pencil you use when writing on your scorecard are both acceptable substitutes. Use these in the same manner, however, since they are slimmer, you will need to tilt them at an angle to work through more of the grass with each twisting motion. 3. Use your putter or another golf club to tap down the grass until the ground is flat and level with the surrounding green. This will restore the slope of the terrain to match the rest of the green. Tips. If you see another divot near yours that was left unattended to, use common courtesy and repair that divot as well. If there are no other groups immediately behind you, repair any other divots you see. This will help the golf course and the groundskeeper maintain their greens even longer. Warnings. Never pull up from the bottom when using a tool for turf repair, this will tear the roots and damage the grass. Do not leave divots in the green. This will change the terrain that the groundskeeper is trying to maintain and could cause issues with other golfers when they reach the green. This is considered unsportsmanlike conduct and bad golf etiquette. Things. Ball mark tool, putter or other golf club, golf tee.